what is up? It is the anonymous sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Like I said before, the goal is to hit 500 subscribers by May 15th and 1,000 by the end of the year. Let's get that done. Hit that red button, hit that bell, tell your friends. Now, let's get into today's video. So if you guys watched my video last week, my sneaker talk video last week, there was an exclusive access on the Nike sneakers app for a bunch of shoes. The Blue the Great mids, the Clot mids, the Obsidian ones, Michigan 5s. There was a lot of shoes on there, but I didn't notice it until late, and the one shoe that I was able to get just got in today, and obviously you read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what it is. But here it is. The box came in. It might look a little damp because I actually did already spray it down with that Lysol just to stay safe. You never know. This
coronavirus
is not messing around. So now let's just open the box and see what we got. Okay, and of course I do this every single time. I feel like I never open the box the right way, but there it is. The box is upside down, and just to be safe, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna hit this Lysol, get it right. There we go. Now the bottom of my box is all wet with Lysol. Now, once again, Nike sneakers, I don't know why they're doing this or why they started doing that, but there is no receipt in the box, which is annoying. But here we go. And I don't get it. They took away the receipts, but they left the Just Rob Me paper, or the Just Rob Me tape on the outside. Nike, you got to figure out your whole packaging situation. But anyways, here we go. Y'all see it. Regular Jordan 1 box, black Jordan 1 box. I'm a little surprised it's a regular box. I feel like they could have did something a little different, just because of the type of shoe that's in here. But let's just read the code right now. The color code Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Air, and then the official colorway is white, and racer blue. You guys can see it right there. QR code, size 12. This is a personal pair. Now let's get into it. So, fake, or my quick little fake check. Obviously it's not fake, it's from Nike. Boom. Open the box, take your lid off the box. You got your white paper right here. You pull down your white paper, and it's always going to be the left sneaker. If it's the right sneaker, you got to fake. As you can see, left sneaker facing you. I'm going to pull it out, and let's get into it. Okay, so these do come with another pair of laces right off the bat, which is kind of dope. And here it is, guys. Here it is. The Jordan 1 High Zoom. Jordan 1 Zoom High Zoom, however you're supposed to say it, whatever the order is, in the racer blue colorway. Now, a lot of people are calling this the broke man's Dior 1. And I can see that because you do have the gray, obviously the gray and the white, primarily colorway. You have the ice outsole with the little pink hits, the hot pink hit in the front, but you still get basically the same flavor as the colorway of the Dior 1. Obviously the Dior 1 doesn't have the blue with the sock liner, and obviously it doesn't say Dior there. And another huge difference is that, let me see if I could get a better view on this. I should have kept gloves on because until I unds a shoe, I don't like touching patent leather with my fingers. But that is patent leather, and the gray area is there all the way up until we get to the Wings logo. And it actually has a detached wing, a flapping wing, which is dope. So anytime a Jordan 1 has a flapping wing, I lace them up a little different. And I'll probably do another video about that later. Not going to do it on foot today. But really dope shoe. Great color. Really calm shoe. Really low profile. And it's supposed to be extremely comfortable. Let me look on the insole here and see. So yeah, you got your Nike Zoom, or your Zoom Air, just like you have on the tongue. Once again, translucent. It says Zoom Air right there. And that's another detail. The wings are translucent, which is kind of dope. So let me see if I could, because there is one detail that I think is pretty cool. So if you guys look on the insole of the shoe, you can see the Zoom Air unit that goes down the whole foot of the shoe, which is really dope. Something that's not in Jordan 1s. Let me grab the closest Jordan 1 to me, so you guys got to look at that. just for comparison, my babies right here, the Bloodlines, love them. You know what? Insole doesn't want to come out, but you have the stitched regular bottom on the inside of a regular Jordan 1. It's just a stitch underneath there. Stitching underneath there, so that's really dope. Now, as far as getting into this shoe, it's a really good looking shoe in person. I wasn't sure how much I would like it when I saw pictures of it. The reason why I actually ended up buying it is because I know a friend of mine that did get it and I saw it in person. So I am happy that I was able to get them for retail. They're not going for too much over retail. Small details around the shoe. Like I said, you have the translucent part around the ankle of the wings. Really, really dope touch in my opinion. And then you also have the little zoom tag on the, this is the left shoe. Let me make sure that they're on both shoes. I'm pretty sure it is, but you never know. And yeah, so both shoes do have the zoom tag. Really nice. And the main differentiator between this shoe and the regular Jordan 1 is the fact that it has a full zoom unit on the midsole, which should make the sneaker extremely, not necessarily extremely comfortable, but more comfortable than any other Jordan 1 on the market, sans the fearless zoom Jordan 1. Now, the main reason why I'm not going to do an on foot today is because of the outsole right here. As you can see, we got an iced out outsole, ice blue gradient, and it fades to that hot pink right there. Those of you that know me know that I like to put sole protectors on my ice soles. Where's the closest one that I have one on? So like right here, as you guys can see, this one got some wear on it, but I do like protecting my ice soles, and I don't have any other vinyl wrap to do that. If you want to see how I do that, I did make a video about it before. Here's a picture of it. Go find it in my channel. But yeah, that's why I'm not wearing these right now. So I'm not doing the on foot just yet, and I will do my live top 10 in a separate video, just because I understand that it does make my videos longer, and it is a way to get a second video out or an extra video out. So I will be doing my live top 10, putting these in here. All in all, man, really dope shoe. Good patent leather. The leather quality is a little stiff on the toe box, but it's not terrible. It's not like that plasticky hard. I mean, it's still gonna crease, but I'm gonna put a crease protector in there and I should be fine. But end of the day, man, it's a Jordan 1. Patent leather hits. Nice leather here too. Same leather that's on the toe box. Regular Jordan tongue. Zoom air translucent right there. So another cool touch is that it comes with, you know what I'm saying, another pair of laces. Hot. They're not a red lace. I don't know how well you can see that on the camera. It's more of a hot pink. Just like this isn't red, this is a hot pink. So these laces are meant to match that, which is pretty cool. I think I'm gonna keep the white laces on there. There's another lace that I think would look pretty good with this because of the translucent right here, and that is, you know, the Air Max 90 Undefeated that came out recently. It has that clear plastic lace. I think that would look really good with these wings. So if I could get my hand on a pair of those laces somehow, I will put those in there. But really, 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 really dope sneaker. It's a Jordan 1, so you know what I mean. Everyone loves Jordan 1s. They are, as far as resale value is concerned, they're reselling a little bit. It's not worth necessarily your investment if you want to get it to resell. I mean, they came out for $175 plus tax, gets you around $185-ish. You know, I think they're only reselling for like $190 to $200 right now. May go up in the future, probably gonna go down. But love the colorway, love the light hit of blue, because to me this is still a blue sneaker, even though there's no blue in it, just because of the sock liner. So I really like how they were able to do that. And obviously, if you cover the sock liner with some pants, then you got a gray and white Jordan 1. Really dope. Neutral colors. Poor man's Christian Dior 1, because everyone watching this video cannot afford the Christian Dior 1. How do I know? If you spend your time watching sneaker YouTubers, especially low-level sneaker YouTubers like myself, then you cannot afford a $2,000 pair of sneakers. That's just facts. But that is it for this one, man. Love this shoe. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Let's get to 500 before May 15th. And as always, it is all about the sneakers.